Dr. Zakir Naik is probably the most dangerous man in the world today to Christianity, because he brings hundreds of thousands of people to Islam, many of them from Hinduism and also from Christianity. He brings them through just by these kind of videos that we're doing right now. He goes all over the world. He was to come here in Britain last July, and he was going to come. They were going to bring him down to Wembley Arena, which seats 12,000. They sold out tickets for his meeting in 2 hours. Now, this man is dangerous. This man is enormously popular. He knows Urdu, he knows Hebrew, he knows Greek, he knows English, he knows Arabic. He has memorized much of our Bible by heart. He uses no notes, and he tears our Bible to shreds, or he tries to, and he confronts the Christology of Jesus. He confronts the Trinity. He confronts the whole, what they call the Pauline paradigm. These are amazing questions. They're great questions. They're foundational to everything we believe, and he's enticing and he's engaging hundreds of thousands of Muslims to follow his example.